Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Now, before us, we have a challenge that we have to peruse. All right, solve the value of x from what we are given is the square root of x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus square root of x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal to 1. Okay, what we need to do quickly, we will immediately take the square root of both sides. We'll take the square of both sides. And when we do that, this square will automatically cancel out. It will automatically cancel out when we take the square of both sides. The square will automatically cancel out. We'll have it as this. Now the square of 1 is 1. All right. So the next thing to do now is we are going to have it as, we need to bring this one in. We have to subtract 1 from both sides so that at the end of it all we'll have an equation. That is to say that it will be, let's say x squared plus x squared will give us 2x squared. Okay. Minus 4 minus 6 will give us minus 10x. That is minus 4x minus 6x will give us minus 10x. All right. The next thing to do now is we need to bring this one to this side, to the left hand side. That is to say that subtract 1 from both sides so that here will become 0. All right. So meaning that, let us have it in mind that minus 1 is coming to the left hand side. So it will now be plus 4 plus 9, which will give us 13. Then minus 1, because this one we want to make here 0 to form an equation. So it will now be what? Minus what? It will now be minus 1 plus 4 plus 9 will give us 12. That is plus 12 equal to 0. All right. Okay, the next thing to do is to divide all through each term by 2, because 2 can go into each of the term without remainder. So if we divide by 2, it simply means that 2 into 2x squared, we are going to have x squared. Okay, 2 divided by minus 10x, it will give us minus 5x. 2 divided 12, we are going to have 6 equal to 0. So this is an equation. This is a quadratic equation that we have formed. So we have to look for two numbers, and when we multiply, we give us 6, and when we add them up, it will give us 5x. So those numbers will be minus 3 minus 2. So we write x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we now look at the greatest common factor here. X is common, we bring s out. Okay, minus 2. Here x is common, the greatest common factor here is 2, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, minus 3 equal to 0. All right, you can see now that what we need to do quickly is to we take x minus 2, and we take x minus 3, which is common to both. X minus 3 equal to 0. All right, what we need to do now is to equate both of the brackets. We equate it x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. So on that note, we'll make x the subject formula. In both cases, it simply means that x will be equal to 2 and x will be equal to what? 3. On that note, our value for x is x equal to 2 or 3. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page. Do well to like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.